Professional girl.
There you go. There we go. Be ready for a little bit of tempo too. Come on, O. We gotta execute better, man. And we gotta execute better. Hey, everybody lock in on what the we gotta do, bro. That's big. That's big. Great job in the run game. I don't give a what anybody says. You with me on that?
That's how we respond, bro. That's the difference between winning and losing. That right there.
We need a 3 and out, man. Create some field position. Let's go, JB. Field position. Let's get out.
Hey, you look back. He won't be you so bad.
You stupid. 48.
Hey, let's go. That's that fun. I'm middle run through.
Yeah, hell yeah. Let it communicate, bro. Every
Job. Be ready. Let's play ball now. We know you. They can't do it if we're stacking the explosive. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I'm saying, if you take it, you better make it. Yeah. Hey. Demon.
You're going to see on tape. I was down there in the stands, man. Oh! Hey! Stop there. Get it there. Come on. Come on. Raise your game right now. So we get a 3 and out. I want to try another thing. Come on now. Come back in 4 minutes now. Hey, know when the battle's over.